Ashwagandha, also known as Withania somnifera, is a powerful herb rooted in Ayurvedic tradition. Today, it's gaining global attention for its wide-ranging health benefits, especially when taken in standardized capsule form like Beryl Ashwagandha 500 mg. Backed by scientific research and user reviews, ashwagandha is celebrated for its adaptogenic properties, helping the body manage stress and restore balance. In this video, we'll explore 7 key benefits of ashwagandha capsules, each supported by evidence and real-world experience. Let's dive into how this ancient herb can transform your health and vitality. One of ashwagandha's most celebrated benefits is its ability to relieve stress and anxiety. As a strong adaptogen, it helps lower cortisol, the body's main stress hormone, by 15 to 30%. This reduction is significant, leading to improved calmness and mood. Clinical studies show ashwagandha is effective for generalized anxiety, helping users feel more relaxed and emotionally balanced. Whether you're facing daily pressures or chronic stress, ashwagandha can be a natural ally, gently supporting your mental health without harsh side effects. It's a holistic approach to emotional wellness, rooted in both tradition and modern science. Ashwagandha is also renowned for its positive impact on sleep. Research shows it improves sleep quality, duration, and deep sleep, making it especially helpful for those struggling with insomnia. By calming the nervous system and easing stress-related sleeplessness, ashwagandha helps you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling more refreshed. Users report fewer nighttime awakenings and a greater sense of restfulness. If you're searching for a natural solution to restless nights, ashwagandha's gentle restorative effects may be just what you need to support healthy sleep patterns. Ashwagandha isn't just for stress and sleep, it's also a powerful supporter of brain health. Studies show it boosts memory, focus, attention, and processing speed, making it a valuable supplement for cognitive performance. Ashwagandha supports brain cell health and may even slow age-related mental decline. Whether you're a student, professional, or simply want to stay sharp as you age, ashwagandha offers a natural way to enhance mental clarity and protect your mind. Its neuroprotective effects are backed by both traditional use and modern research, making it a smart addition to your daily routine. Those seeking more energy and better exercise performance, ashwagandha delivers impressive results. It increases muscle mass, strength, and endurance, making it popular among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Ashwagandha also reduces exercise fatigue and muscle damage, speeding up recovery after intense workouts. These benefits are supported by clinical studies and user testimonials, showing that ashwagandha can help you push harder, recover faster, and achieve your fitness goal. Whether you're training for a competition or simply want to feel more energetic, ashwagandha is a natural way to support physical vitality. Ashwagandha plays a crucial role in hormone balance, especially for men. It raises testosterone levels and improves fertility, supporting reproductive health. Additionally, ashwagandha helps balance thyroid hormones, which are essential for metabolism and overall well-being. These effects are particularly valuable for those experiencing hormonal imbalances or seeking natural ways to support their endocrine system. By promoting healthy hormone levels, ashwagandha contributes to vitality, energy, and long-term wellness. Its benefits extend to both men and women, making it a versatile supplement for hormonal health. Ashwagandha is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent, helping to lower CRP levels and strengthen immune cells like NK cells and macrophages. This means it not only protects against chronic inflammation, but also boosts your body's natural defenses. Regular use of ashwagandha can help you stay healthier, recover faster from illness, and reduce the risk of inflammatory conditions. Its immune-supporting properties are backed by research, making it a valuable tool for anyone looking to enhance their body's resilience and maintain optimal health. Ashwagandha is traditionally known as a rejuvenator herb in Ayurveda, supporting cellular health and boosting overall vitality. Its anti-aging effects are linked to improved energy, wellness, and longevity. By promoting healthy cells and reducing oxidative stress, ashwagandha helps you feel younger and more vibrant. Users often report increased stamina and a greater sense of well-being. If you're looking for a natural way to support aging gracefully, ashwagandha's revitalizing properties offer a holistic approach to lifelong health. Adaptogens are natural substances that help the body adapt to stress and maintain balance. Ashwagandha is one of the most well-studied adaptogens, known for its ability to regulate cortisol and support overall resilience. By modulating the stress response, adaptogens like ashwagandha help you stay calm, focused, and energetic even in challenging situations. This concept is central to understanding how ashwagandha works, providing a foundation for its wide-ranging benefits. Adaptogens are increasingly popular in modern wellness routines, offering a natural solution to everyday stress. Typical dose for ashwagandha is between 300 and 600 mg per day, with Beryl capsules providing a convenient 500 mg standardized root extract. Most users find this dosage effective and easy to incorporate into their daily routine. Ashwagandha is generally considered safe for most people, but it's important to avoid use if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have autoimmune conditions. Effects are usually noticeable after 4 to 8 weeks of consistent use. Always follow recommended guidelines and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns.
Ashwagandha extract, a timeless root, reimagined for the modern world. Pure, potent, and precisely crafted from their wellness routine. Each capsule contains 500 milligrams of concentrated ashwagandha root extract, standardized, tested, and trusted.
Ashwagandha works by interacting with multiple systems in the body, including the nervous, endocrine, and immune systems. Its active compounds, called withanolides, help regulate hormones, reduce inflammation, and support cellular health. This multi-targeted approach explains why ashwagandha offers such a broad range of benefits, from stress relief to improved immunity. Understanding how ashwagandha works can help you appreciate its role in holistic wellness and make informed choices about supplementation. Many users report noticeable improvements in mood, energy, and sleep after taking ashwagandha capsules for several weeks. Reviews highlight reduced anxiety, better focus, and faster recovery from exercise. Some users also mention enhanced immunity and a greater sense of vitality. While individual results may vary, the overall consensus is positive, with ashwagandha providing a gentle yet effective boost to daily health. These real-world experiences support the scientific findings and offer encouragement for those considering ashwagandha supplementation. Ashwagandha has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine as a rejuvenator and tonic for overall health. Its traditional roots are reflected in its modern applications, with ongoing research confirming many of its ancient claims. Ayurveda emphasizes balance and harmony, and ashwagandha embodies these principles by supporting multiple aspects of physical and mental wellness. Understanding its historical context can deepen your appreciation for this remarkable herb and its enduring popularity. While ashwagandha is generally safe, certain groups should avoid it. Pregnant and breastfeeding women, as well as individuals with autoimmune conditions, are advised not to use ashwagandha. This precaution is based on limited research and the potential for adverse effects in these populations. If you fall into these categories or have specific health concerns, it's best to consult a healthcare provider before starting ashwagandha. Safety is always a priority, and understanding who should avoid this supplement ensures responsible use. Ashwagandha capsules, especially in standardized forms like Beryl 500 mg, offer a wide range of benefits, from stress relief and better sleep to enhanced brain power, energy, hormone balance, immunity, and vitality. Backed by both tradition and modern research, ashwagandha is a versatile supplement for holistic health. Remember to follow dosage guidelines and consult with a professional if needed. With consistent use, ashwagandha can help you achieve greater balance, resilience, and well-being, making it a valuable addition to your daily routine.